and today we're doing a snowflake ornament, or a snowflake, how to do your own paper snowflake. And I got bangs last weekend, so that explains that. It is the 18th of December, so we're getting really close to Christmas. So I'm doing a Christmas themed one. This one's really simple. All you need for this is scissors and a sheet of paper. That's really all you need for this craft, and it comes out super cute. Okay, so how you do this craft. So I have my piece of paper and scissors right here. And first, I'm just gonna take the corner of my paper and do a pretty big fold like that. And then I'm going to cut it out. And then, so we're gonna fold it over, let's see, to make as even as possible. And then if it's like somewhat like this, so wait. So you're gonna, so from here, so from your cutout thing, you're going to fold it like this, and then cut off any excess paper you have. So I'm just gonna start from the corner. And cut, like that. And then clear that out of the way. And then I'm going to make my design for the snowflakes. So quick pointer real quick. So you don't want to cut off here, but you can cut here, or not here. So you can cut on the sides. I think you can cut here, but I'm not sure. But you can definitely cut right here and right here. Just don't cut this top off, because then it will make your snowflake like all wonky. So make sure you're not cutting there. So I'm going to cut out a design of my own for my snowflake. So I will, yeah, so I'm gonna cut it out. So, I finished cutting out my shape, and it's really simple. It's just like a little indent here and a little indent here, and then a triangle-like thing there. And now I'm going to unfold it, so I'll show you the magic of unfolding it. I think I might have done this wrong. Nope. So, and then you unfold it, and you have a magical snowflake ready to hang. And that's this whole video. I mean, it's a really quick, cute craft, and I really like this. I'm really proud of this. We did this in my classroom a little bit ago, and yeah, I really like it. And you can even like take a hole puncher and punch a hole and then tie it, and you can tie it to like a string or something. So that's this video. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and give it a big thumbs up for more craft videos. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoy it, and definitely try this out. It's really fun. Like, it doesn't even take 5 minutes. It takes like 3 minutes. So I would really try this out. I really like it, and I hope you do too. Bye.